A6. At this point, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the Mayor and Vice Mayor of the lovely Manila. Please welcome Honorable Mayor Isko Yorme Moreno Domagoso and Vice Mayor Chi Atienza. And now we are ready to begin. Enjoy the food, the drinks. Once again, welcome to the A6 Robinsons Manila Grand Store opening. Not just the first A6 store in the Robinsons Mall, but also officially the first ever A6 store right here in the heart of Manila.
Ang lakas mo naman sa Robinson. Lumayo ka talaga, ha? Thank you. Pero kakaiba naman talaga. Usually you buy A6 from another store. Walmart.
Once again, welcome to the A6 Robinsons Manila Grand Store opening. And now please welcome your host, Mr. Andre Felix. Sariling sikap eh, no? Hello, good morning everybody! Good morning, good morning! Parang wala na, parang tulog pa yung mga tao dito sa Manila. Dapat gising, mataas ang energy. Good morning! I need louder than that. Lalo na pag A6 and again, Grand Store opening here in Robinsons, Manila. Not just the first in the Robinsons Mall, but also the first in Manila. Good morning, Manila! Good morning! Lastly, mas malakas pa, good morning, Manila! Good morning! I'll take that. Good morning, everybody. I'm Andre Felix. I'm one of the brand ambassadors for A6. I've been with the brand for 6 years now since the pandemic. So props to Sonic Group and A6. And thank you. Palakpakan natin mga sarili ngayong umaga dito po sa Robinsons, Manila. Maraming salamat to all our friends from the media, the press, all our celebrity friends, influencer friends, and of course our mayor, our lovely mayor, napakasipag na mayor and vice mayor. Every event na pinuntahan ko, sa City Hall man, sa Robinsons Manila man, kahit saan man, nandun yung dalawang ito. Once again, formally, I wanna congratulate Sonic Group and A6 Philippines kasi po, as I said, paulit-ulit, this is the official grand opening of A6 Robinsons Manila! Pwede naman palakpakan? And as I said, hindi lang po ito yung unang A6 store in Robinsons Manila, in the Robinsons Mall. Pero ito po, yung kauna-unahang A6 store in the heart of the beautiful city of Manila. Pwede na natin palakpakan. Very excited si Yorme. And we are very excited, Yorme, because we are making history. We are so glad to have everybody here. Ganda ng vibe. And also, meron tayong DJ Gobwabs. Thank you so much for being here. And also, the electrifying Taiko drum performance. Their group will be performing in just a bit. And also, just for today, as I said, we also have the A6 Peak Endurance Challenge happening just for today. You have a chance to win a brand new A6 Nova Blast 6. Who wants to win? Sino gusto manalo? Here na! Yorme and si Chika kasama kayo sa challenge. Top incline ang gagawin natin for today to test your limits. And we also want to thank all our friends from the media, the press. Thank you so much for being here. And please don't forget to tag us at A6PH, at Sonic Group on social media. And before we cut our ribbon, officially open the store with Yorme, with Vice Mayor Chi, with Sir Kabir, with everybody, with Ma'am Robina, Gongo Wepe. Bago natin simulan, kausapin muna natin ating mga friends. Let's start with one of the more, kumbaga, familiar faces in the industry. Miss Chris Bernal, good morning to you. Good morning. Bati ka muna, Chris.
Hi everyone, good morning. Congratulations, A6.
Ma'am, Chris, ano po ang gamit natin ngayong umaga? Siyempre, ma'am, magalang tayo pag umaga. Ano po ang gamit natin ngayon? And what is the theme? Ang ganda ng iyong monochromatic look, Chris.
It's my favorite tennis shoes. I always get my shoes from A6, from running shoes to workout shoes, to tennis shoes, to high rocks shoes. Everything is A6.
Yun, doon tayo magkakasundo. Thank you so much. Enjoy. And sasali ka ba mamaya sa Peak Endurance?
Ano ba yung Logo Classics?
Wala pa ba nun?
Wala pa eh, kaya ako maghirapan.
Mamaya, top incline. Chris Bernal, thank you so much. Nakita natin si Eddie, si Kaori. Of course, Kaori, one of the congratulations kay Kaori. First marathon mo. Oo, EDSA. Manila Marathon. Kumusta naman yung experience, Kao?
Kuya, tayo mong ikaw. Mga sabi na up naman.
Kao, what are you using right now? I see this is, ito yung bago. Ojan Stratus. And kamusta naman yung feeling, Kaori?
Sobrang comfy ang stylish niya. I think bagay siya sa mga katulad ko medyo cool girly. Yeah.
Etong A6 Nova Class 6, I'm sure meron ka na, pero kakasa ka ba sa challenge? Will you be joining the A6 Peak Endurance Challenge? Highest incline yon, and yung pinakamatagal.
Gusto ko na try, I think. Pero kung manalo man ako, I wanna give it to someone else. Kasi meron na ako nun eh.
Tama, tama. Thank you, Kaori. Kaori, Chris, thank you so much. Pinoy Fitness Jeff Law is also in the house. I also see Meet Joe Black, Joe Vargas. Ang daming nandito. Mga ngayong umaga, mamaya kakausapin natin. Vigo is also here. Si Jeff Law, Pinoy Fitness. But right now, at this point, we will officially open. But before that, help me and join me in welcoming, palakpakan po natin, putting our hands together for the big boss, the CEO of Sonic Group. Always sharp, always energetic, always handsome, Mr. Kabir Buksani.
What an intro, my God. Alright, good morning everyone. Good morning. Not as Andre, but good morning. On behalf of Sonic Group, it is my great pleasure to welcome all of you to the grand opening of A6 Robinsons Manila. Today marks another exciting milestone for A6 in the Philippines as we officially open our first ever A6 store in the Robinsons Mall and our first ever A6 store in this beautiful city of Manila. With Robinsons Manila joining our retail network, we have now opened 17 A6 stores across the Philippines, reflecting our continued growth and commitment to bringing the brand closer to more Filipino consumers, athletes, runners, and communities. We are especially proud to establish our presence here at Robinsons Manila, one of the country's most established and iconic shopping destinations located in the heart of the beautiful city of Manila. More than simply expanding our retail footprint, every new A6 store represents an opportunity for us to create a stronger connection with our customers. I would also like to recognize our Sonic teams, our business partners, athletes, beloved well-known personalities, running communities, media friends, and everyone who has worked behind the scenes to bring this store to life. And most importantly, to our customers. Thank you for our trust, for our support, and for your passion and loyalty to continue to inspire us to grow and create even better experiences for the Filipino market. Thank you so much.
Once again, give it up for Mr. Kabir Buksani, CEO of Sonic Group. Straight to the point. Wala nang daan-daan pa. Talagang diretso, straight to the point tayo. And at this point, before we go with our taiko drum performance, they will be performing in just a bit. Pero unahin na natin dahil alam naman natin, lalo na ngayon panahon ng bagyo. Maraming salamat. You still came here. At syempre, busy-busy ang ating mabuting mayor at vice mayor dito po sa napakagandang lungsod ng Maynila. unahin na natin ito for our official ribbon cutting ceremony. And may I invite our distinguished VIPs and executives to please step here at the back. Once I call your name, let's start with the Honorable Mayor Isko Moreno Dumagoso. Vice Mayor Chi Atienza. And the Madam, nagpunta si Madam ngayong umaga. Madam Robina Gogong Weype, President and CEO of Robinsons Retail Holdings. Madam, ninang dito ka sa gitna. Siyempre. Ang lakas ni AC sa'yo, Madam. We also have Maria Cristina Real Lim. She's not here, but we also, of course, kakabigay lang ng opening remarks, CEO of Sonic Group, Mr. Kabir Buksani. Last but definitely not the least, ever gorgeous, President of Sonic Sports Specialists Incorporated, Miss AC Legarda. Hold on. Teka lang, sino magbibigay ng cue para sabay-sabay? Ayaw namin mag-viral. Kailangan maganda ang pag-ribbon cutting namin. Okay, on your cue, sir. On your cue, ha? Oh, we look first, okay.
Just pretend.
Smile.
Just look at the camera. Smile. Now look
Count
at
of
the
three, ha?
Look at the ribbon first, and then you do.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, cut! A6 store in Robinsons Manila is now officially open!
Yun o.
And now pose for the photo op, of course.